Here's the contents of what's in the Max Peeting Rods airbag setup system. We got 2 airbags, some mounting brackets, and then we got this is next. You take your spring and your shock out. Use these coil compressors to be safe.
For your top bracket, for your guide hole, for your top bracket. Remove bracket, drill 2 1/4-inch holes in bracket.
Next, take the plate, bolt it to the bags. Make sure you slip the bolts in first. Put your air hose nozzle, and then you bolt it to the bottom. Put the system Next, you want to secure the plate to the top plate. 4 nuts and bolts all the way around. Disconnect the bottom of the bags. And then you're going to go and try put your spring in. Right there. Now the springs in, unattach these, and connect your shot.